Woo-hoo-hoo! Rock and roll! Yeah. Good day, young.
What happened?
Huh?
What happened? Okay, Jason, tell us what just happened.
Well, you see, as I came up upon the ramp,
Yeah?
I did not have a straight shot or a proper angle.
What would you call that? Stupidity or what?
So, well, pretty much, you know.
Okay.
Young boys will do that type of stuff.
I hear that, and
So
bad
as I
boys,
got the
right.
ramp,
Bad boys will do that, won't they?
slid out from behind me. And due to this thick sand, my back wheel hung. And it hung my damn foot.
And you
And
kind
my
of,
God, if I didn't just fall the hell over.
yeah, you
that's
did
what
at that. Yeah, you can see where your elbows went into the ground there and your head, and
Yeah, I figured
your
walking
back stayed
down there,
above
I'd
the
dig
ground, but
buried treasure.
kind of buried you. It's pretty cool. Crazy people. People that do crazy stuff like this all the time.
Well, you know what? They're my kind of people.